Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install and use Bitchat. Bitchat has recently been launched and right now everyone is talking about it and it is a new revolution in sending or receiving a message through Bluetooth. So I'll show you how you can use it. So first you have to go to the App Store or you can also go to the Google Play Store based on which phone you're using. And there you have to simply search for Bitchat. Once you search for it, from the results you will see this one Bitchat mesh. You just have to simply install it. Once you have installed it, you just have to simply open it up. As you open it up, instantly it will ask you for some of the permissions. You have to allow it all of these. It will ask you for the permission related to Bluetooth. So you have to allow all of the options that it asks you. Even if you have to go to the settings, you just go there and allow it. And once you're done, then you're good to go to use it. Using it is super easy and simple. Normally we do chat on any other app. The same thing goes here. You just have to simply type a message and the message goes to the other person. But the other person should also have the bit chat and their Bluetooth is also on. On the right side you can see the icon. Once you click onto it, you will see all the available users, those who have the bit chat and their Bluetooth is on. So you can click onto their name and then you will be able to send or receive messages. If you click onto the logo on the top left, these options will come up. There's some information related to this platform. You can click onto it and you can just simply get to know like how you can use this one. Other than that, if you would like to change your username, you can also do it. From the top, you have to click onto it and just simply give it any nickname of your choice. Right now, you can only send text messages. You cannot send or receive any sort of video, image, GIF, or anything else. So that is all about Bitchat. This is how you can install and use it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.